Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner just starting out, I'm here to help you learn and master a new skill. In this video, we are going to dive into the POWR Form inputs. POWR Form is a user-friendly form builder that allows you to easily create custom forms for your website. With POWR Forms, you can choose from a variety of templates or build your own from scratch. The drag and drop system makes it easy to add fields, customize colors, and even integrate with other apps and services. Whether you need a simple contact form or a more complex survey or registration form, POWR has you covered. And with ability to collect payments and set up autoresponders, you can streamline your workflow and save time. Platforms offer a wide range of input fields to choose from. Here are some of the most commonly used form inputs available. To see it, go into the Form tab, click on the Add Elements, and here you can see all the inputs provided by POWR. So, text box. It allows users to enter text or numbers into a single line. And the next one, let's try to add a name. So you can here choose whether to collect just a name or a full name. The next one is email input. It ensures that users enter a valid email address. And the phone number input. It also ensures that users will enter a valid phone number. The next one is let's create a date and time input. So it will help and let's move it over here. It will help users to choose a date and select a time from a calendar. Next one is drop down selection. Here, if you go and scroll down, you can see the drop down selection where you can allow users to select one option from the list of predefined options. The next one is multiple choice. Here. So it also allows users to select multiple options from a list of predefined options. And also we do have a checkbox or a multiple checkboxes. It allows users to select one or more options from a list of predefined options. Okay, next, if you'll go to the text inputs, you'll see the plain text. It's quite similar to text input, but allows to add multiple lines of text. And also we do have the rating elements. It allows users to rate using the stars or using the emoji feedbacks here. So also we do provide a picture choice. It's quite similar to the multiple choice option, but over here you can add your images. And the most importantly, we do have a signature element which will allow submitter to use their signature, and it will make submission officially legal. And also next to it you can see the file upload where you can accept any documents from your users. With POWR Forms, you can create forms that are tailored to your specific needs and requirements. All input elements could be mandatory or not, and after submission, they would be recorded in the form responses. So, for example, if you'll go to the name input, you can toggle on the first name required. So, none of your user will not be available to submit it without submitting their name. In POWR Forms, you can add various text elements to your forms to provide users with additional information or instructions. Here are some of the most commonly used text elements available in POWR Forms. The first is title and descriptions. It allows you to add a title, obviously, or section heading to your form, including image or a logo over here. So next one is paragraph. It's in a text area. So next one is you can also add a paragraph. Allows you to add a block of text to your form. And also we have a divider, the line break here. It allows you to add a horizontal line to your form to separate different sections like this one. And obviously we have an image. It will allow you to add an image, not a text, to your form if it needs to be there. So over here, the image one. And you can customize the font, the size and color of these text elements to match your branding and design preferences in Design tab. Additionally, you can use conditional logic, but we'll make another video about it, to show or hide text elements based on your responses. With POWR Forms allows you to create multi-page forms to make the form filling process more manageable and user-friendly. With the page elements, you can create as many pages as you need, and each page can have its own set of fields, text, and settings. Here are some of the key features of POWR Forms page functionality. You can create an add page, and it will create you several pages. And here you can see that we do have a navigation bar, back and submit button. Also, we have the progress tracking that displays a progress bar or step counter to help users keep track of their progress through the form. Also, you can always set a confirmation page. It will allow and show your users a message or thank you note after they have completed the form. In after submission options here, and you can customize the image and replace the note. Using multi-page form can help you reduce form abandonment rates and improve the user experience. So your form will not be long enough as here, so you can divide it into several pages. With POWR Form page functionality, you can create engaging and interactive forms that meet your specific needs and requirements. So overall, we look into the main inputs in this video and main page functionality. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned.